place it. Be easy, I'll put everything back together, then test drive it tomorrow or something. But yeah. Woo! Alright guys, back again. This is like a part 2 video because part 1 is like a 9-minute video, so it's quite lengthy. I'm doing the top training mount, brand new OEM from Acura. I've learned from my frustrations and like fuck up yesterday of trying to get out the mount and figuring out there was another fucking bolt in there. Just reference to the damn part and be like, oh yeah, it sits in there like this. So there's 1, 2, 3 fucking bolts. And there you go. And you won't be sitting there like, why isn't this shit moving? So that's about it. I'll show you guys this bullets. I know this one underneath that sits right in the middle is gonna be a little tricky because the bracket that sits under has like a little fucking nipple at the bottom because of the top bolt. So maybe able to get it out with a wrench or something, but it's a little tricky space. But I'm sure something will fit. All right? All right. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. The growth lately on Twitter has been fucking fantastic. The support, people have been like loving the channel. We went from, oh, it was at like 800 subs, now we're at like 832 or something. This shit's been growing, gonna hit 1,000 quicker. Make sure you guys just join the Rich fam, man. Living, growing, and you know, fucking promoting every day, non-stop. Found out I got another month off of work because of this whole virus shit. I'm about to hop on that unemployment wave. It is what it is, man. I'm gonna keep bringing more content for you guys, do what I can do with the car stuff, and just keep living, man. Being hopeful and staying safe. You guys be fucking healthy. Wash your hands, you know. Drink some hand sanitizer. Do what you gotta fucking do. Drink some Corona Lime. Yeah. Stay tuned, man. Watch some car shit. Alright guys, got the first one cracked. Let's see if I can. These ones are gonna be a little tough and tricky. So I'm about to put the lift up because you could get this left side, the one, you know, closer to the front end. You could crack that on this side, but I don't know, the angles and space is weird from doing it from the top, so I'm gonna try from the bottom. See if that's easier for you guys. I'm trying to give you guys different ways and perspectives, you know, getting to the bolts and things, and basically just there with me, learning and doing it too. If you see me mess up, you know not what to do, and if you see it works, then there you have it. You know, that's a way you can do it. So I'm here to help you guys to make things easier and simple jobs that you may think is hard, a lot easier. Like training mounts, you would think, oh my god, bro, that shit, I gotta take a whole subframe, this and that. Nah, you just a couple bolts. You just need a lift for it. It's ideal, you don't need it, but almost sounded important. Can't wait to be able to get a shop of my own, then have a lift and space, and I'll be able to do so much content, guys. There we go. You gotta put some fucking back and neck and all your fucking might into that shit. I was able to get it from underneath, but don't put the lift all the way up because you need some leverage so you can be hunchback for a little bit. A little fucking wrench. Only thing that I could get fit, get my arms in there and have enough leverage. It kind of hurt my fucking, oh my god, look, I smacked the shit out. My whole fucking wrist is like dead right now. But we got it cracked, guys, so we figured it out. If you want to do it, get it from underneath. If you have some other kind of tool, maybe a swivel or something like that's not fucking thick, could fit in there, then maybe you could do it from the top, but it was easier for me for the bottom, so it could help you. Maybe you find a different way. Let me know in the comments. So my mistake, guys, the bottom one right in the middle, I didn't crack, and I just did right now. All I did, I went to go loosen it, and she was not budging. I was actually kind of stripping it a little bit. But I found the angle and leverage for this back left one. You have to go from underneath over here and like go this way. But for this bottom middle one, you want to reach underneath from the top. Put your fingers on the bolt to make it stay there, so you don't want to strip this shit. Then just push up. I already had it cracked, so it's like smoother now. But find the position and a lot smoother now. Now it's coming out, guys. Now it's coming out. Shoulders kind of hurt a little bit now, but hey, anything for the content, guys. 14 mil put your fingers on it, keep it in place. You want to put your force up, because that's the best angle, honestly, for here, without too much fucking strain and stripping. Alright, update guys. So to get out the bottom middle bolt that is right here, and I said you have to go from the bottom because there's like that little nipple from the bottom piece where the bolt goes in. To get it out, which I found, is you have to put some pressure up on the tranny so it lifts it up, because obviously it probably like sags down once you take this off. Surpasses that little nipple part and you'll be able to just pull out the bolt just like that. So if you get stuck, that's what you got to do. Put pressure on your transmission. Alright guys, so we got the last bolt out. Got it out. How's she looking? So on this side it's not, oh man, it's split right there and split right there. And same right here, you see how bad it is right there. This side's really fucked, that one's starting to go. But yeah, overall I just needed to change them out. And it's pretty simple, we just gotta find the leverage point. Yeah, it's not that hard of a job guys. Don't feel intimidated with tranny mounts, fucking doing your knock sensor, intake manifold, things like that. It's real simple. Word of advice with your intake manifold though, they have like a 3-bolt bracket underneath. That shit took me forever to get out, and it just, you don't need it there. Just take it out, cut it out, fucking get rid of it once you first take it off, because save you so much time, I promise you. And you don't need it. I've been running without it for months. Nothing has fucking changed. So get that shit out of there. You don't need it. The fuck out of here. Tip of the day. So firstly, I was hand tightening it because I needed to sit properly in there. So there you guys found out too. Kind of get it from the top as well. It's like not fully on there. It's like the slightest bit at the bottom is like more, but you still be able to tighten it there. Then gotta get this car back on the lift so we could do the one underneath. Sitting how it's supposed to. Let's refer back to my picture, guys. Head, kids. I don't think I could really fit a torque wrench in here. I'm just gonna get a couple oomph. And that shit's definitely like definitely not gonna go fucking nowhere. So 200 pounds of weight on it, pressure. Alright, so guys, last bolt, which is the top bolt that goes into the middle of the mount with the plate. I got a new plate with it as well because I put it on wrong after doing my clutch job, and you can see like right here is like bent up. All right here is like lifted up, not flat compared to this. Then I believe, and right here is a little like kept getting banged in because I had it at a wrong angle. It's probably hitting the battery tray, because how we had it, I think had it like this or something, like a little fucking crooked. It was kind of retarded, to be honest. After looking at the diagrams, it looks like it goes on like that. So that's how it's supposed to go on. Let's get the last bolt in. This long ass one. Oomphs in there, ooga doogas. Fucking Christ, I'm out of breath. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Alright, I mean, that's easy as that, guys. That's how you replace your top transmission mount. Kind of have to go from underneath and above to make it a little easier for yourself. Lift would make it obviously a lot easier. Put back on my battery tray, my battery, my intake, and just have it put back together and ready so I could possibly go test drive it tomorrow. Literally my last option, resort, possibility of what could be messed up with my car with the extreme shaking from 40 to 70 miles per hour. Sounds like an axle. Nothing changed. I did the clutch. I did tie rod, sway links, lower control arm. It just got worse over time. Never did the training mounts. It clearly looked, this one at least looked really f***ed up. Really hope it does something. I know you guys want to keep seeing TSX content, putting the TSXs on the map and shit, producing all the content, DIY videos and all that good shit. Let me know what you guys trying to see. Fucking do some hot boy shit. You know, we're making it work. 110 videos in. Hit 1,000 subs. This weekend we're probably gonna hit 900. Focus on the TV or your phone or something watching. Bless up guys, stay safe.